Hi there! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a monthly membership inside Pole Studio Manager, or PSM. Memberships are a great way to offer flexible access to your studio while generating consistent monthly revenue. For example, you might offer something like $200 for 8 classes per month. And with auto-renew, students won't have to keep signing up again and again. It's convenient for your clients and great for your studio's cash flow. Let's begin by creating the membership category. Log in to your PSM account. Go to Settings, then Categories, and click plus New Category. Change the top category to Member Categories. Enter a name, like Bronze Membership, and set the order to something like 90 by 99, or any number that reflects your client tiers. Customize the icon by choosing a color, a letter, and a background that fits your branding. Then, click Save Category. Now let's set up the Bronze membership as a sales item. Go to Sales Items and click Add New. Set the type to Package. In the Common tab, name it something like Bronze Monthly Membership. Add a short description, such as, attend up to 8 classes per month. Auto-renews monthly, then enter the price. For example, $200. Move to the Activation and Expiration tab. Choose when the membership becomes active. This could be on the sale date, on the student's first visit, or on a selected date. For expiration, set how long the membership should last. Usually 1 month, but you can also choose Never Expire or End at the end of the month. If needed, allow students to register a few days after expiration. Enable auto-renew. Set the number of repeats, like 999 times, and choose whether it should renew as soon as the membership runs out. Go to the Purchase Restrictions tab. Set the sale start and end dates. Choose whether it's sold online and who can buy it. All clients, new clients only, or selected groups. Decide if the membership is sold individually or through open or set course enrollment. If you plan to charge students automatically, go to the Scheduled Payments tab. Enter the monthly charge amount, like $200, and choose the day of the month to bill. Then, head to the Additional tab. Set the tuition amount, select the billing schedule, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and assign the correct billing cycle. Set the item category to Membership, and choose a charge category, like All-Inclusive Membership, or any that matches your studio's setup. Scroll down to the Contract section. Check the box that says Clients must agree to a contract, then select the contract you want them to sign. If you haven't created one yet, go to Settings, then Pages, and click plus Add New. Give it a title like Bronze Membership Agreement. Set the relation to Sales Item. Adjust the visibility, and under Need Signature, decide if students must sign or simply agree. Paste your contract content and then click Save Changes. To wrap up, register a test student and walk through the entire process to make sure everything works, from pricing and auto-renew to the contract and activation. And that's it! You've now created a fully functional Bronze monthly membership inside Pole Studio Manager. It's simple for your students and helps your studio build steady, recurring revenue. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on using PSM.